how to change your username on Instagram. So go to your Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner here, and then just go to the three dots at the top right corner. So from here, you just want to make sure that you're on the right account that you want to change. So go to your account center at the very top, and this is going to show you a lot of your settings, and you just want to go to the profiles at the top. So here, these are the profiles or accounts that are under the Meta cloud here, and you want to choose the Instagram username that you want to physically change. So I'm going to choose the second option. And then you'll get an option for your name, your username, and all this stuff. And we're going to choose username. And then what I'm going to do is simply change the name here. And I'm just going to put a S on the very bottom, at the very end of here. And I will hit the check mark. And then I will hit done. And then it will take a second, but it will change the username to the new one that you chose. And that's it. It's really simple to do. Keep it easy. And see you in the next video.